Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn a new letter. It's letter H, as in house. Now let's see more pictures that start with letter H. First, what sound does letter H make? Yes, it makes this sound like what? Like horse, like hand. You're right, hammer, hat, house, and helicopter. Now, are you ready to play a game with me? Okay, here we go. Look at the picture here. We have to put a tick only on the pictures that start with letter H. Let's see. Look at the first picture. Hat. Does it start with letter H? Yes, I put a tick. Donut. Does it start with letter H? No. Hot dog. Does it start with letter H? You're right. Helmet. Yes. Hippo. Yes. Gift. Does it start with letter H? No. Hook. Yes. Dinosaur. No. Horse. Yes. Helicopter. You are right. Hanger. Yes. Egg. No. Hamburger. You are right. Pencil. Not really. Honey. Now, let's press on the finish button to check our answers. Let's see if we did it right. Yes, we got them all right. Amazing work, my friends. Wait for me next time to learn a new letter and play more games. See you later, alligators.